Mastering Pronoun-Antecedent Agreement in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss a very important topic in English grammar, namely Pronoun-Antecedent Agreement. This might sound a bit complex, but don't worry. We're going to break it down and make it super easy for you to understand and apply in your daily conversations and writing. Let's dive right in. Before we talk about pronoun-antecedent agreement, we need to understand what pronouns and antecedents are. Pronouns are words used in the place of nouns. They help us avoid repetition. For example, instead of saying, John is here, John is happy, we can say, John is here, he is happy. Here, he is a pronoun standing for John. The antecedent is the noun that the pronoun refers to or replaces. In the above example, John is the antecedent of the pronoun he. Now that we know what pronouns and antecedents are, let's dive into their agreement rules. Rule 1. Number agreement. A singular antecedent needs a singular pronoun, and a plural antecedent needs a plural pronoun. For example, John lost his book, singular, and the students took their seats, plural. Rule 2. Gender agreement. The pronoun's gender must match the gender of its antecedent. For example, Mary finished her homework, female, and John brushed his teeth, male. Rule 3. Indefinite pronouns. Most indefinite pronouns are considered singular. Therefore, they require singular pronouns. For example, everyone should bring their own lunch. However, in modern English, using their as a singular pronoun is becoming more accepted to promote gender neutrality, especially in informal contexts. Rule 4. Collective nouns. Collective nouns like team, committee, or family can take a singular or plural pronoun based on whether the group is being thought of as a single entity or as individuals. For example, the team is proud of its work, singular, versus the team are arguing amongst themselves, plural. So, that wraps up our session on pronoun-antecedent agreement. Remember, the key to mastering this is practice. Try spotting pronouns and their antecedents in your reading and check if they agree in terms of number, gender, and person. Don't worry if you make mistakes. They are stepping stones to mastering the language. Keep practicing, and you will get there. See you in our next video. Happy learning!